Have you ever been talking to a woman that you found attractive and you couldn't figure out whether or not she was feeling it, right? If she was feeling the same way about you, if she was feeling sexually attracted to you, right? For some guys, they'll end up talking to a woman for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, and for some guys, even days, weeks, or months, and they still won't be 100% sure if the woman is sexually attracted, or if she just sees him as a friend, or if she's feeling neutral, or worse, if she's feeling turned off. So when you don't know if a woman finds you attractive or not, you can end up wasting a lot of time. And if you make a move on a woman who isn't attracted, you end up getting rejected, right? You ask for a phone number. Sorry, I just see you as a friend. Sorry, I'm not interested. Because she wasn't actually feeling attracted. She was just feeling neutral. So if you want to figure out if a woman finds you attractive in 2 seconds, then head over to my website. You can watch the video 100% free. It's called the Instant Attraction Test. All you've got to do is put in your name and email and you get instant access to watch it. And I teach you how to use the Instant Attraction Test, the psychology behind it, and I also give you some additional insights about attracting women that will boost your confidence. So if you're interested in watching the video, then check out the link in the description, click through, enter your name and email, and you'll be able to watch it right away.